Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So this episode starts off with uKwenzo usekamereni likaSibongile lase-rest esikolweni, and uSibongile is pacing the room. We can see ukuthi she's panicking. uKwenzo then says, okay Sibongile, I think kuzomela uhlale phansi wehlise umoya. uSibongile then says, Kwenzo, ngiyazama wehlise umoya kodwa awenzeki. uKwenzo then says, yes Sibongile, like it's just a hearing, and I'm sure if you think positively about it, it might help you win. uSibongile then says, kodwa Kwenzo kuyafana. Sifike kanjani lana? Sifike kanjani Kwenzo? I did everything I had to do to make sure ngenza kahle esikolweni. Kodwa kusiza ngani lokho? Nakho imfundo yami isencupheni, ikusasa lami Kwenzo lisencupheni. uKwenzo then says maybe what could make the hearing a success, as she's trying to speak, uSibongile just cuts him off, and then she's like, ubufakazi abukho Kwenzo. What will make them believe what I say instead of lento khulunywa ubusi? Anginabo ubufakazi, anginalutho. I did what you told me to try, ayingisizanga. Iqiniso enginalo, iqiniso lami kuphela. That's the only evidence I have. Nakhona, how will that help me because I'm the only one who knows the truth? uKwenzo then says, okay, wozalana. He takes her by the hand, he's like, vala mehlo, asithandaze. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, we see uNjengaye. He is having breakfast with his two wives, uPhetheni benoNomfundo and uThemba. So we just hear uNjengaye saying, hayibo, kanti uphi wenzeni? Hayibo wenzeni? Uyabona le ngane, mengabe ingafiki manje ngizoyishiya mina, izohanjiswa umkhize esikoleni. uThemba then says, baba ngihambe ngiyombiza. uNjengaye then says, hayi khuleka mfana, khuleka ungakhathazeki, fanele yena afunde isifundo. uNjengaye then says to ulokhuzana to uThemba, injani cereal yakho, ubisi lakho luwarm. uPhetheni then says, yazi sibalikhulu, bengithi nje fanele sithi ukudebriefa ngale family meeting that we had. uNomfundo looks at uPhetheni, looks at uNjengaye, and she's like, oh, family meeting, sibalikhulu, bekune family meeting. Yindaba thina singatshelwanga ngayo. Remember on Friday, guys, uWenzeni called a family meeting with her family. She didn't call uNomfundo benoThemba. uPhetheni then says, yingoba ibize nguWenzeni. uWenzeni ucele umndeni wakhe. Like emphasizing ukuthi uWenzeni, she wanted umndeni wakhe kula dinner and no one else. uNomfundo looks at uNjengaye to say ukuthi, can you see what's going on? uPhetheni then says, anyway, ingane ibifuna ukusikhumbuza ukuthi thina as the Dlaminis, we used to be umndeni obumbene man. She wants that to keep, or she wants us to keep it that way. uNjengaye then says, yeah, ngiyabuzwa. uPhetheni then says, ngiyabonga sithandwa sami. uNomfundo is so bored, you guys, because her and her son are being left out. uPhetheni goes on to say, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ufike umsupporte uWenzeni. Uyasho ukuthi ungubaba oqotho. And then uNjengaye smiles. uPhetheni then says, anyway, I invited uKwenzo for a lunch. Bengithi mhlambe singathi ukuhlala kancane sixoxe. Let bygones be bygones. uNjengaye then says, yazi ngelunch I'll be in a meeting. Ngeke ngikwazi ukuphumelela. uPhetheni then says, okay, I'll make it late lunch then. uNjengaye then says, yeah, vele ngicabanga ukuthi isikhathi sesifikile ukuthi mina naye sithelelana amanzi. uPhetheni can see how annoyed uNomfundo is, and then she's like, oh Nomfundo, cela ungiphasele iyogurt. And then uNomfundo does so, but you can see shame uNomfundo's not fine. And then that scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uSibongile telling uZama ukuthi bamxoshile esikoleni. Shuthi uSibongile went for the hearing, guys. It did not go well. uSibongile is being expelled from esikolweni. So uNjengaye is like, how ngani unamanga? Like, how is that possible? When you've been doing way better than ubusi eklasini. That should be proof ukuthi vele wena uqophele wena. And then uSibongile za kuphelile Zama. Ayisekho into engayenza, sebashilo bangixoshile. Kuyacaca nje ukuthi izinto ezinhle azinifanelanga mina. And that scene just ends. Guys, it's so sad. I'm just like, really? Why are they dragging the storyline for so long? Why can't uSibongile just get her happily ever after? Next scene, girl, we see uPhetheni. She is sitting in the lounge reading some magazine when uWenzeni walks into the house. So uWenzeni, when she's walking in, she's like, Ma. And then she comes over to where uPhetheni is. uPhetheni is like, yeah. uWenzeni is like, unjani, man? uPhetheni then says, right, unjani? uWenzeni then says, ngiyaphila. I hope ukuthi you had a nice day. uPhetheni then says, yeah. It seems like wena, you had a nice day too. uWenzeni then says, not really, but I'm happy ukuthi I won't be bothering you about getting me a tutor. Konje ma bengisengikutshelile ukuthi ngidinga tutor. uPhetheni then says, bengithi when it comes to ama tutors, you don't want anyone besides uSibongile. uWenzeni then says, maybe if you guys didn't traumatize me, ngabama marks wami awehlanga kangaka. uPhetheni laughs and she's like, okay, yeah, Wenzeni. Imaphi ama-marks adrophe kangaka? uWenzeni then says, i-maths ma. Yabona i-maths? uPhetheni then says, yeah, khona i-maths iyathanda nje uba nzima la kuwena. uWenzeni then says, ingakho ngiyacela ma, ngicela ungisize. uPhetheni then says, this is nice, man. Ukubona nje ukuthi usukumela imfundo yakho. This is really nice. uWenzeni smiled. uPhetheni then says, okay, you can't tutor that you found already. uWenzeni then says, yeah, someone recommended a tutor to me. Lo muntu ebefeyila nje, kodwa nje manje uyapasa. Athi ngikhombise. She scrolls through her phone and she's like, nah, you get inamba yakhe. And then uPhetheni is like, well done, well done. And then they high five and then the scene ends like that. Next scene, guys, uSibongile doing a very difficult thing. She takes her phone calling Ubaba Mbambo to break down the sad news to him. So Mbambo, when you answer the phone, he says, Makaza ngobisi, excited to hear uSibongile's voice. Sibongile then says, baba, angazi ukuthi ngizokuchazela kanjani lokhu kodwa bangixoshile esikoleni baba. Baba, like I was helping a girl out nge-assignment, ngamboleka i-laptop yami ngithi ngiyasiza, kanti ugeli wakhona she stole my assignment. Now there's no way for me to prove ukuthi I'm the one who's actually the one who's been stolen from. uMvuma then says to uSibongile, ngiyakholelwa mntanami, ukhulisa yimina. I know what you would never do that. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi there's something kodwa esingayenza to sort out this matter. uSibongile then says, hey baba, mina ngazi because already sebengixoshile. Bengicela baba ukuthi uzongilanda. Unokhuzana ubaba uVuma then says ukuthi hayi akunankinga mntanami, ngizokuhlangabeza kusasa and we'll see ukuthi senza njani. Ngiyakuthanda Sibongile. And the scene ends like that. I am so glad ukuthi ubaba uVuma did not panic, you guys, because the last thing that uSibongile needs at this point is someone who's going to be panicking and stressing her out even more. There by the Dlamini mentioned Gempela, that late lunch that uPhetheni spoke about is happening. So uNjengaye then says, Gwenzo, everyone's sitting on the table bayadla. uNjengaye then says, Gwenzo, unjani ke kodwa after yonke lento? uGwenzo then says, ngingasho ukuthi not too bad, hey? Ngibada bubuya kwi-interview yase-Aesthetic Inc. You can see ukuthi uNjengaye's face just changes, you guys, because the Aesthetic Inc. is a rivalry to Isubal Holdings. So uGwenzo goes on to say ukuthi they offered me a job and sengilinde ikholi yabo. You can see ukuthi uGwenzo is all smiley, he's excited. uNjengaye then says, ingathangizwa kahle yonke lento, mhlambe indlebe zami zivalekile. Yini? Usangene yini wena mfana? Ubhale wa-entertainana nendaba kaStanley, isitha sami. Manje ufuna uyosebenzela my competitor. Iphi loyalty lapho wena mfana? Ungenwe yini? Usangene yini la ekhanda? uGwenzo just starts laughing. He then says, oleleni, angondile ukuhleka. He looks at uNjengaye. He then says, wena utshela mina nge-loyalty, huh? When you fire everyone that doesn't dance to your tune in your company, ubufuna ngenze njani ngempela? Ubufuna ukuthi ngenze njani ngesikhathi ungiosha enkampanini yakho? That time uPhetheni, guys, she doesn't even know what to say. She's just sitting there quietly. uGwenzo goes on to say, ubufuna ukuthi ngikulandelela ngemuva njenge-slave sakho, like a hungry dog. Is that what you wanted? You played yourself, ke? Angidingi wena nenkampani yakho. uNjengaye then says, mfana, usangene la ekhanda wena. uGwenzo laughs. uGwenzo then says, kanti ke? uNjengaye then says, usangene. uKwenzo then says, kanti-ke, mina angiyena uVusi uPopayi wakho. Lo omdonsa ngekhala uthi jump athi yena how high. Yabona mina, ukwenza okuhle ngizoma ngeenyawo zami zombili. Thanda ungathandi. Unjelaye then says, yabona le siyenza la. Le esizamuyenza la ayisebenzi. Lo mfana lo uyohlezi esayidana nezitha zami. Lo mfana lo pointing at uKwenzo. I-loyalty yinto angayazi nje. Akayazi nje i-loyalty ukuthi isho ukuthini. Secacile ukuthi wena usufana nomuntu ofile la kumina. You are nothing to me. That time they are both staring at one another in the eyes angrily, you guys. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uNomalanga. She is in her car. Umdaka nasemotweni yakhe ama-takeaways, guys. She's speaking to a friend. She's like, yeah, Mngani, thank you so much for letting me stay kwakho. You have no idea ukuthi ngibonga njani. Kodwa I need to figure out myself, Mngani. It seems like, guys, ukuthi uNomalanga doesn't have a place to stay. And I'm just like, I wonder if she's not going to go and stir things up, because why are they bringing uNomalanga back? I get lost scene ke uSibongile useres usekamereni lakhe uyambona ukuthi sekepakeshe izinto zakhe zonke, guys. Kuphelile ngoSibongile university, you guys. So uKwenzo comes in and he gives her a bottle of water. So uKwenzo then says, there you go, giving her the water, and then uSibongile then says ngiyabonga. uKwenzo then says, kodwa ke mina bengingasiboni isidingo of ubaba wakho driving all the way here. Well, I don't mind ukuthi ngikuhambisa mina ekhaya, or maybe we can go endlini kancane yabo, just to get ama-cuddles nyana. uSibongile then says, ay Kwenzo, kuzwakala ngathi yinto enganiduduza at this point, futhi ngingakujabulela. Kodwa I want to make the most of the little time that I have left. Kwenzo then says, yeah. uSibongile goes on to say, and to say a proper goodbye to uZama. uKwenzo then says, yeah, sure. Plus, I'm sure nobaba wakho naye ke uzofisa ukuthi akhulume ne-management or something. uSibongile then says, ngeke sazi ke lapho. Kodwa ke yinto efana nobaba uDlamini ke leyo. Kodwa ke Ima, sisakhuluma ngobaba uDlamini, uhambe kanjani? uKwenzo then says, hey, and then he starts rubbing his head. uSibongile then says, how yindaba bekukubi ngaleyo ndlela? uKwenzo then says, yep. Well, ubaba ngimtshelile nge-interview, ngamtshela nge-offer, kodwa ngithe ngimchazela ukuthi ngizobe ngisebenzela i-rival yakhe ngihloboleze inyoka emgodini. He is furious where he is. uSibongile then says, hey, angazi ukuthi ngithini Kwenzo. uKwenzo just says, yeah. uSibongile then says, kodwa ke we know ukuthi ubaba wakho, he'll understand ekugcineni. uKwenzo then says, hey, asazi Sibongile. Nokuthi nje Sibongile, sifike kanjani lana mina nawe, Uyangixaka nje mina. Ikusasa lethu alithembisi, asazi nokuthi libheke kanjani ikusasa lethu. Yeah, khona Sibongile ngiyazi ukuthi this is just a phase and kuzodlula. Kodwa yo, hayi ngeke mfana, it's getting too much. uSibongile then says, you can say that again. Kodwa yazini emnandi ngayo yonke lento, it's that we are going through this together. uKwenzo then says, yeah. uSibongile gets up and she hugs him, and the scene just ends like that. Guys, why not uSibongile amabhadi akhe are going over to uKwenzo? Because what do you mean? I never saw this day where uKwenzo benobaba uDlamini bengaziwani. Like, yo? Anyway, let's pause it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.